the Cyber 2 Labs. That company was formed because of a contract supporting DIEX, which is like the Army research arm here in the United States. So we were a subcontractor and we needed to have a company entity formed. And because of all the work I'd done in the Middle East under my first company, Cardwell Engineering, that I formed in 1999, I'm like, it's probably a little bit risky to use that. So what we did is we formed another company just to support that drone research contract. And what the drone research contract was, there'd been an actual drone, an IED device strapped on a drone and flown against special forces. That was like 2017. So we had the actual research contract to be able to actually basically hack and get access into DJI drones, and that was kind of the whole kickoff of the drone research and everything and stuff like that. The sad part is a lot of the challenges we identified then, and to be fully transparent, we didn't have an agreement as far as going into the second phase because they continued to want to develop that little miniature light missile. And I tried to explain to them that there's no solution 100%. We had that problem with mine warfare in the military and the Navy. You got like 70% of the mines, but you didn't get 100% of the mines. So since you didn't get 100% of the mines, there was always going to be mines that were still there. Well, that little missile they wanted to develop, I'm like, well, what if there's 10 drones? You're not going to shoot down all 10 drones. You're going to have a chain gun with these little missiles on it, the little like Patriot missiles. That's what they were actually calling them, mini Patriots. And their answer was, no, they were never going to get 100%. But they wouldn't listen, and they actually awarded the contract to other vendors. And to this day, what are we struggling with? We're struggling with drones. So from 2017 to 2026, nobody solved that drone problem. And the Ukraine-Russian war pretty much changed it all, right? Changed warfare probably going forward for a good time, if maybe forever. Who knows how long it's going to last. But the problem is we still have the same problem. If I have 10 drones coming at me, how am I going to take out all 10 drones? We just really don't have that solution. And what we did at Cyber 2 Labs, we had probably the first drone forensics class where we taught people how to actually take the drone and extract the flight controller, extract the image and all the other things on it to be able to do forensics, to find out where it was launched from, right? And those types of things. And today, DJI encrypts our firmware